Hey guys, there is a lot of talk at the moment around the Apple iOS 14 device updates, and this is really going to have a big impact on the pixel tracking for any of the ad campaigns that you are running. So if you are currently working with an agency or you're running ads on Facebook yourself, this is something that you really need to go in and check. So the way that you do it is that you head to business.facebook.com, and this is going to pull up the back end of the business manager. From here, you need to go down to Events Manager, and you'll come across this aggregated event measurement with a purple new button next to it. So go and click on that and then hit Configure Web Events. So for me, I want to verify my domain for KISS Marketing because I'm trying to run some ads to grow my email list. So I'm going to hit Verify Domain. And you're going to come across some techie stuff here. So there's a number of different options you can use. I'm going to go with this initial option of DNS verification, and it's going to require you going in to the back end of your domain outside of Facebook and adding in a TXT record. So what I would recommend you do is get whoever set up your website domain name, whether it was a web company or some sort of tech person, get them to do this. Or if you're handy, you can follow these steps. So for me, my domain is actually registered with Crazy Domains. So I'm going to log into my account here and head to domain. So yours might look a little bit different depending on who your domain is registered through. And probably a really good solution for you guys is to actually reach out to whoever your domains is registered with. So whether that be GoDaddy, Melbourne IT, there are some common ones. So for mine, I need to visit my account and head to domains. And here are all the domains I've got registered at the moment. Going to the KISS Marketing domain. And you'll see here something called DNS settings. So if we go and look at this, I need to add a record, which is this. So that's copy to click on. Add this little @ symbol as a host field. So I'm going to... Okay guys, sorry I had to pause the video there for a second, but when I've jumped into Crazy Domains, I've had to get in touch with their chat team. So most of your domain providers will have this feature, and in order to add a text record, I've had to upgrade my account to premium DNS. It is now allowing me to enter a text record here. So it's as simple as following the steps and going back and copying this record here as a text record and pasting it and just hitting update. It doesn't want to include that @ sign, so that's fine. I will remove it. Come on. What if I go www? Nope. All right, so what I'm going to do now is get back in touch with the support chat again, and I'll get back to you in a second. Okay, so after all of that, it turns out my Crazy Domains has been a little bit glitchy, but Julie on customer support has jumped in and updated it for me accordingly. So I think this is a really good lesson when you are trying to do anything techie and troubleshooting. Reach out to their support teams. You are paying them premium, and this is included as part of the service. So once this is done, I will then be able to ensure that my changes have configured. So just know it does take up to 72 hours, and then you hit verify, and that's all there is to it. You can then go and set up your aggregated events, and you're all ready to rock and roll with those new iOS 14 updates.